You ready to work out today? Ready to do some crazy ass workouts?
Yeah.
It's Saturday. Typically do full body workouts. So we're gonna show you guys what we're gonna do.
And
Get that right.
yeah, man, you know, okay. His baby rep max. Come on. Just give me one. At least do like a power clean instead of a full clean. Let's go. That was amazing.
Get stupid! Get stupid!
How'd you feel about today's workout, man?
Hey, it's always good to go out on a Saturday, do a full body workout, you know, work all the muscle groups in your body.
Typically on Saturdays we usually do full bodies. That's why we did some cleans, some push presses, some box jumps, Turkish get-ups. So yeah, that's how we roll on a Saturday. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Simply Built Strength. John, catch you guys next time.
Thank you.